Welcome everybody. Thank you for joining me in a 10-minute HIIT full body workout. Okay, weights are optional. Alright, so we're gonna do some strength training, we're gonna do some cardio, okay? High intensity interval training. We're gonna warm it on up right here. Inchworms, feet shoulder width apart, hinge at the hips, soften those knees, reach that ground, walk it on out. Get that high plank, come back on up. Reach it on up, alright? Nice and easy, so we're gonna get 30 seconds of these. Then we're gonna get 30 seconds of high knees, okay? So again, this is cardio and strength training, all right? So it's gonna burn those calories, gonna work that body, full body workout. Do what you can, all right? All right, bring it on up. High knees right here. Nice and easy, get those knees up. Keep it breathing, all right? We're warming up that body, getting that heart rate going. Knees are coming up nice and high. I'm swinging my arms, all right? Swing those arms, do not keep them down. It will help you work faster, work harder, to push and to burn those calories, all right? So again, heart rate going, breathe in. All right, we got about 5 more seconds, okay? And then we go into our first exercise. 10 minutes, no break, okay? All right, grab your weights. If you don't have any weights, that's okay. We're working squat thrusters, okay? All right, so again, if you have no weights, just work some squats, okay? So reaching that bottom back, hand right there above the shoulders, pushing that weight up as you come on up. Exhale that breath, come on back, okay? All right, so we're doing strength, 1 minute, cardio 1 minute, then we repeat. All right, so again, we got 2 rounds today, okay? 30 more seconds, keep it going, keep it working. Keep breathing. Again, it's all about challenging yourselves, okay? If you can't last the full minute, take a breather. That's all right. Then you get right back into it when you can, okay? Again, it's all about doing what you can. These workouts are for you. It's to help you progress, okay? 5 more seconds. Then we're going into something called mummy kicks. All right, weights down. Hands out, mummy kicks. Right here, okay? Hands out. Keep it side to side. Keep it working. All right, so it's working shoulders, working cardio. You keep breathing, you keep moving. All right, so you might be wondering, all right, we got 4 moves. That's 8 minutes. All right, we're doing 2 rounds. What's the last minute? Special move, okay? We're gonna do a special move at the end. Keep going, keep it breathing. I want those feet moving, nice and easy, nice and quick. Hands are up, they're not down here. They're right here. Working the shoulders, back is tall, core is engaged. 10 more seconds. So we're gonna go bring it down to the ground, push-ups into some pikes. All right, 3rd move here. Push up into pikes. Come on down, knees. Knees are on the toes, you choose. Gonna work 1 push-up. Yeah. Reach it on back. Bring it back. Finger on knees. Push up again. Come back up. And up. Finger on your toes. Right here. Exhale. As you press on up from that ground. Working the shoulders. Working those hips. Working that core. Great job, everybody. Yeah, do what you can. All right. Modify if you need to. Take a break if you need to. All right, 15 more seconds. Control the breath. Next move up, mountain climbers. Okay. We're gonna be in that high plank. We're gonna bring those knees in, all the way to the chest. Straight down that center. Here we go. All right, back is nice and flat. Hand track below the shoulders. Abs are engaged. Body strong. Get those knees in. Keep it breathing. All right, so this is our 4th move. Then we're gonna repeat back into those squat thrusters. And then again, finish it off. 1 special move at the end. 30 seconds. Heart rate's going. Keep it breathing. Again, you're working it. You're doing this for yourself. All right? Keep it breathing. Push that body, 15 seconds. Almost there, 5 more seconds. Bring it on up. Squat thrusters, second round. Here we go again, okay? Again, weight or no weight, you choose. Even if you had weight and you're getting tired and you can't get that weight up, just work some squats, okay? You can be here or you can be here. And it's all about doing what you can. All right, Ishita. I'm breathing heavy. I'm right here with you. I'm working. I'm pushing. 30 more seconds. Woo! Get it up. Push that weight up. Push that body. Get stronger. Again, it's commitment here. All right. Not only working that body, working that mind. 15. 10 seconds. Mummy kicks right after this. Almost there, okay, almost there. All right, gonna put that weight down. Right into some mummy kicks. Right here. Hands out, work the shoulders. Working that heart rate. Keep breathing, keep pushing. All right, modification. You can't slow it down, okay? No hopping required. You could be here. All right, but I want those hands up, okay? Don't drop them. Don't drop them. Keep going. 25 seconds. Keep pushing. Keep working. Push-ups into pikes next. Almost there. Woo! Shoulders are working. Keep pushing. You guys got this. And if you need a breather, take it. Get right back into it when you're ready. 5 more seconds. Push-ups, pikes. Here we go. Again, on the knees or on the toes. You pick. You go right into them. Reach those hips up. Bring it back. Push up. Hips up. Bring it back. Push up. Nice and easy. And control. Again, we want quality over quantity. All right, so I want you to have that perfect form. Every single move. Even if it requires you to slow it down a little bit, take a breather, no worries. All right. Stay strong, everybody. Again, just work out the shoulders in the end. It's about you building your body and building your strength up as much as you can, all right? So if you can't finish the workout, try it again. All right, try it again in a few days. See if you can last even longer. Okay, that's how you're gonna get stronger. Mountain climbers, last one. Final move after this, 1 minute isometric squat here, okay? So that means you're gonna hold that squat position, knees bent, bottom back, back is tall. Keep it going, knees all the way to the chest. Keep it breathing. Again, it's all about what you can do. All right, 30 seconds. Don't stop. You got this. Commit. Mind over matter here. Stay strong. Keep it pushing. Keep breathing. Woo! Nice job, everybody. 15 seconds. I'm feeling it. You should be feeling it. 3, 2, 1. Bring it up. Isometric hold. Squat, okay? Each one with freestyle bottom back. Hold it right here. Hands are up. It's also a chair pose. All right. Side view. Bottom back. Back is flat. And back there, chair. Keep reaching. Keep holding. Keep breathing. Great job again, everybody. 30 seconds. Woo. Feel it. You work that body. Do what you can. That's all I ask, okay? Again, these workouts are for you to progress in, okay? So if you have to repeat next few days, do it once or twice a week, even more if you can. You go harder, challenge yourselves. Okay, you gotta commit. Whether it's this workout or another workout, that's up to you. 5 seconds in, a little bit deeper. And relax, great job everybody. Roll those shoulders back. Catch that breath. Inhale, exhale. All right, go pulling that right foot, right quad stretch here. Hold the balance, keep it breathing. Nice work today, everybody. Other side. Control the breathing. Inhale through the nose, exhale through that mouth. All right, gonna reach it on up. Leaning over one side. Other side. Hands are up, chin down. All right, nice big inhale. Exhale, breathe in, your arms down. Give yourselves a hand. Great job again. Remember, stay fit, stay flexed, and I'll see you guys next time.